Wow, this is a blizzard.
So we just walked by here and it's fine, and now...
Well, I'm glad what happened this morning or overnight.
Yeah, this would have been full of snow. I just stuck my foot way in. I can't get up. Well, crisis on this side is averted, but I'm not so sure about that side. Woo! That was more of a workout than I've had in a few weeks. Okay.
Are you ready to shoveling all day?
I'm ready to make you food all day.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Good morning. It's coming. It's coming. Right now it's a little quiet, not too windy, but I think afternoon is when I start. The winds will be picked up a lot. But they changed a lot for this day. They say maybe tomorrow, Monday, is when it's gonna be a little more worse. So yeah, okay. I think we are ready for this. I think we are ready. Wow, this is a blizzard. Okay, early today I was shaking plastic of high panel to the snow starts sliding. So now it's a little clear. Plus the wind started it's more strong right now. So the wind is pushing snow away from the roof for now. It is a lot of snow. I don't know if you can see it, but yesterday I pushed all this snow all the way down, and now it's like nothing happened here. Yeah, because the wind is so strong from northeast, keeping this side a little more clear. That's good. Less work for me.
Wow, the other door is just as bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
There is the second day of
This is day 2 of our blizzard, and as you can see, the drifts. Yesterday it was drifting on the other side of the house. Today it's drifting more on this side. Now, of course, my big winter jacket's out in the truck, so Jose's going to attempt to go get it for me. So here's the problem we're having. Everything is fine, but we cannot, from the house, see the second high tunnel. And we need to go out and check on it and make sure the snow's not drifting up over the top. Jose tried to go out in the super early this morning before the sun was up, but you couldn't see even with the flashlight beam through the snow because it just reflects the snow back at you. And the other thing is he can't walk out there because the snow is up to the fence and it's just drifted into huge piles. So we are going to try to make it now, but I think, do you have your snowshoes in here?
Oh, yes, I have here.
Okay, I think he may have to put snowshoes on to get out there, but we're going to try to walk out. Once we're out in this, though, we won't be able to talk to the camera because it's so windy out there. It's ridiculously windy.
Yeah, it's
so
crazy.
Jose's going to try to go out to the truck, though, and get my jacket. Good luck, Jose.
Yeah.
You going, Upper? Go get your daddy. Coming? Whew, brutal. I've heard stories where people said they tied ropes to the barn to go from their house to the barn because they couldn't see the barn, and I doubted those stories until today. All right, I'm coming. Now I'm full of snow. Probably done to put a jacket on after I'm covered in snow.
I know, folks, I know.
How was it out there?
Oh, it's like a summer?
It's like summer?
Yeah. Summer in Antarctica.
Summer in Antarctica? Yeah, okay. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, here we go.
Alright, yeah. Probably this is the last time you will be seeing us.
Last time you'll see us.
Yeah, next time probably you will be in the commentary next time.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna walk behind Jose so you can see him trying to get through the snow.
Huh?
Come on, Tronic, let's go. Alright. If I drop the GoPro, it'll be lost forever. Uh-oh, hopefully this isn't locked. Oh no. Wow.
Crazy.
Wow. Yeah? I'm just sinking deeper than you are. Wow, look clear.
Yeah, I was a little worried because now the wind switched to the direct from the north. Usually we got a lot of snow here on this other side, but it looks clear right now.
yeah, maybe a little bit.
Yeah. Wanna check the other side?
We can. Wow, look at this drift.
Oh, here, but
A little bit. Wow, look at this drift. Oh yeah, maybe a little on this side.
yeah, a little bit currently. Not too bad.
All right, we go in. Wow. Wow. We should have planted though. It's so nice in here.
Yeah. I think we're gonna spend all day here, you huh?
Look at that far side, Jose. So you can see a little bit why drifting snow can be so bad, because that side where we walked in, the way the wind is blowing, kept the snow away from the front of the building, but check out the back. Now this is where you get problems, because this weight pushes very hard, and you can see down here it's bowing.
Yeah.
I'm not too worried. These are really strong, these ends, but that's a lot. That's like 8 feet of snow almost right there. Yeah. Oh.
Don't touch.
Don't touch. The good news is, so far we don't have too bad of a problem. It is pushing in pretty hard on these sides, but I think all that will be fine. So Jose is going to come out and shovel a little bit,
Yeah.
but we don't need to do very much.
No.
We're going to check the inside of the other one.
Good.
Yeah. I do though, with how warm it is in here, we should have planted. You know, you...
Today?
No, we're not planting today, but we should have planted before all of this started. The only place we would have had problems is probably along these sides where the snow's coming in. All right, I'm gonna put my hood back up. We're gonna go back out. So definitely a 6-foot drift here.
Wow.
Oh no!
It just happened.
Okay, so we just walked by here and it was fine, and now
Yeah, new plastic.
okay, so Jose's gonna find another piece of plastic to fix the door that now ripped.
Well, I'm going to happen this morning or overnight.
Yeah,
Thanks, Ronnie.
this would have been full of snow. All right, let's look at the door on this side real quick. I have a funny feeling at some point we'll lose the plastic on this door too. Look at the way the snow is just pressing on this. All right. Woo! Man, that wind is brutal. The good news is there is no plastic no snow sitting on top of the plastic, so that's very good news. Jose's gonna fix. Wow. Jose's going to fix this plastic, but you can see it must have been ripped for a while because there's a huge snowdrift inside here. Well, this one isn't the one we plant first, so I wouldn't have been too worried. We do have some spinach in here, but that's from last winter, and we're just kind of babying it, trying to get it through. But wow, what a storm. All right, I'm about to head back out into it. I'm not excited about that. Wow. You can see how you could get out in this and die. I just sunk my foot way in. I can't get up. And the wind is just whipping me. Well, glad I don't have to sleep in this. All right, here we go. All right, I'm up. I'm up. Can you get it on your own, or you need my help?
I can't get it now.
Okay. All right. Whew, we're steamed up. Heading back out. We got to fix that door. Here we go. It was so much fun the first time, why not do it twice? Well, crisis on this side is averted, but I'm not so sure about that side. That side might cave in.
We want to check later today.
Yeah, I think you're going to try to shovel this side though a little bit.
I want to try, but it's very high.
You think you can do it in your snowshoes or no?
Oh, no.
No, not that side. These roofs.
Oh, yeah, that one is easy.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought we were talking about the door.
No, the doors, leave it. Yeah, the other thing we could try to do is same thing there, is put a second piece of plastic.
Yeah.
I can't tell if it's ripping. I didn't look that good, but I probably should have looked.
But that one is better. This one it was a little more weak because every time I open and close.
Oh, yeah. Do we have any more sandbags in here, or that was it?
No.
All right, so main crisis averted though. Wow. The problem with ladders and plastic are so dangerous because that wind, and the problem here is it was sucking the plastic out and then would rip it back in. And that's probably why we ended up losing. But now because there's nothing can come in and out of here, now it's a little better. Yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna, we need breakfast.
Yeah, I'll go inside.
So I'm gonna head back for sure. All right, wish us luck.
Yep, thank you. That was a good help.
Yeah, of course. Okay, we'll just stay in here.
We survived.
We did survive. So it is brutal out there though.
It is.
Yeah, I'm glad we're not Arctic explorers.
Well, we can try.
You know, I'll tell you one thing though, the right equipment makes a world of difference. Like these jackets.
Oh yeah.
Like you don't feel any bit of that wind out there. And these coveralls, yeah. You got to have the right equipment in this kind of weather.
Oh yeah.
Whew, that was more of a workout than I've had in a few weeks. Okay.
Are you ready to shoveling all day?
I'm ready to make you food all day.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right. I will see you later.
Thank you.